Alright you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the glove box on a 2008 Jeep Wrangler, and I would imagine that this is the same method used to remove the glove box on pretty much everything from 07 to present. So basically you just open it up, and from here people may be wondering, how do I get this out of here? Well, it's pretty simple. You just bend this part in just a little bit. You can see there's already a little cut there. You just bend this in on this side, on both sides actually. See the tab? Just push it in. Also a tab on this side. You just pull it in. And then you just lift it up once you get these tabs past the front. So I'm going to push these in real fast. Give me just a moment. There we go. Sorry, it's a little difficult to do with one hand. But yeah, basically what you want to do is just get this there and this there. And then you can just lift it right out. So to reinstall it, you push it back on its hinge, just like that. The tab is stuck right there. Push it in, and glove box is back in.